Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Manatal, Guide for Streamlining Recruitment. So first things first, what is this Manatal? Manatal is a cloud-based recruiting software designed to help HR teams and agencies manage candidates, job postings, pipelines, and collaboration all in one place. Now first, go to manatal.com and log in or sign up for an account. Now once logged in, the dashboard gives you high-level view of open jobs, pipeline progress, candidate activities, calendar and tasks. It's your daily hub for tracking, hiring performance and pending actions. Now, create and post a job. Go to Jobs, add job, enter job title, location, department, and description. Assign hiring manager and recruiters. Post to job boards directly. Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, etc. Share on your careers page or via social links. Now, to add a candidate, candidates can be added via first, manual entry. Next, resume import, drag and drop CVs, or AI fills fields automatically. Next, email parsing, and job applications, auto import from boards. You can also enrich profiles with Manatal social media search and LinkedIn extension. Now, to build and manage talent pipelines. Each job has its pipeline with stages like applied, screened, interviewed, offered, and hired. Drag and drop candidates between stages. Add notes, ratings, tags, and files to keep everything centralized. Now, collaborate with your team. Manatal makes team collaboration easy. Mention colleagues in notes, assign interviewers, share candidate profiles securely, and get feedback and ratings from hiring managers. Now, schedule interviews and send emails. Use the built-in calendar to schedule interviews, send emails, or SMS directly from Manatal. Use email templates, and set reminders. Everything is logged under the candidate's profile. Now, on Reporting and Analytics, access the Reports tab for insights, time to hire, source of hire, pipeline performance, recruiter productivity. These help you identify bottlenecks and optimize hiring. Now, customize settings. You can create custom pipeline stages, add custom fields to candidate, job forms, and manage user roles and permissions. Configure GDPR compliance and data policies. Now, some final thoughts. Manatal brings structure, automation, and AI to recruiting, ideal for scaling your hiring or making your agency more efficient. And that's basically it.